फेस કરવામાં નહીં આવે. So make sure of it, all of you. Be active enough, not only in mathematics, for all the subjects. Boys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So up till, who will tell me up till what we have completed in our last lecture? Come on, boys. Come on. I'm waiting.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Mixed fraction.
I already taught you about the fractions. The base is cleared.
Yes. Improper.
તો તમે લોકોએ ઘરે બુક ખોલી જ નથી એમ થયું ને ઇન શોર્ટ. Boys, I'm talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
હું yes sir કરો છો નોનસેન્સ ની જેમ. લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં શું થયું એ પણ યાદ નથી. We have started chapter number
Sir,
2.
we
ઈ તો
will
ખબર જ ને.
fetch.
ઈ તો ખબર જ ને. We have started with chapter number 2.
Sir, we last video fraction topic finished.
Nonsense. Fraction topic finished not of your fractions. We were started with the topic name fraction in our last lecture. The name of the chapter is chapter number 2, fraction and decimal. That is what we have to study. Now, starting from the beginning, what do you mean by fraction? Who will tell me what do you mean by fraction? Fast, come on.
Sir,
Your voice is in and out. Please check your internet connection, Zohar Abbas. Your voice is in and out, but I can't listen you properly. Anybody else who can answer me? Chalo, fraction is what? Fraction stands for F is equal to N upon D. What do you mean by N? N means what?
Fraction
numerator
Um,
denominator.
denominator.
Numerator and denominator. Fraction denote as N upon D, which stands for numerator upon denominator. Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Now, if I say there was one box here, if I break this box into two parts, what would be the fraction on this?
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So what do you mean by 1 upon 2? 1 upon 2 is denoted as numerator and denominator. Fraction is always said to be upon. Upon. ઉપર પણ number હોય and નીચે પણ numeric હોય. That is number હોય. Are you getting? So fraction is always denoted as n upon d, which stands for numerator upon denominator. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If I do have one diagram like this, three parts are given. If I just use this one part, what will be the fraction?
1 upon 3.
1 upon 3. Very good. Chalo. If I use this both the parts, what will be the fraction?
2 upon 3.
2 upon 3. Very good. Now, main part what I want to teach you is that 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, that is not only the fraction. It can be anything. It can be anything. Any fractions can be known as, it can be 7 upon 12, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 8, 9 upon 2. All the things can be known as fractions. Understand? If I say that I ordered one large pizza yesterday, I ordered one large pizza yesterday, and large pizza contained 8 pieces on it. Okay. Out of these 8 pieces, I had 3 pieces out of that 8. What will be the fraction?
3 upon 8.
3 upon 8. Are you getting? દેખાય છે અહીંયા સરળ લખેલું છે?
Yes, sir.
3 upon 8. So, the main content to make you understand is 3 upon 8. કેવી રીતે? કે total part is what? Total parts are what? 8 parts. So, total will be always in denominator. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Out of total, whatever you had, whatever you got it, whatever you left, all the things will be in what?
Numerator.
Numerator. Numerator nahi, numerator.
Numerator.
Understood, boys?
Yes.
In simple example, I say your mathematics test was of 20 marks. So 20 marks is in denominator. કોઈ પણ સબ્જેક્ટ ના માર્ક્સ તમારા ડિનોમિનેટર માં હોય કે out of 20 તમે સ્કોર કરો છો? So total parts is what? 20. Are you getting? Out of 20, if you scored 19 marks, so 19 is the score what you had, but total was what?
20.
20.
So 19 upon 20 is also known as what?
Fraction.
Any doubt here?
No,
For
sir.
example, your total after completing a year, your total marks was from 700. Out of 700 for all 7 subjects, you scored 610 marks. So this is what? What this is said to be?
Fraction.
Fraction. Have you all understood about fraction, beta?
Yes.
Boys? All of you? Anybody has any doubt with the name of fraction?
No, sir. No doubt. No question.
Fraction is denoted as what?
Numerator and denominator.
Very good. Fraction is denoted as numerator and denominator. Now, our base topic is clear about fraction. We are shifting to types of fraction. The topic name is type of fraction. Now, who will tell me what are the types of fraction? You already did this. આ કોઈ નવો topic નથી. You already did this in your 6th standard. So, tell me, what is the type of fraction? Boys, what are the types of fraction here? Girls ને બોલો અત્યારે ચેપ્ટર 1 પતાયું. ફ્રેન્કલી આજે કોઈ પણ તમે વિડિયો જોજો, ગર્લ્સ માં ગ્રુપમાં મૂકશે મેથેમેટિક્સ નો. ગર્લ્સ માં આજે જે ચેપ્ટર 1 પતાયું, I started with chapter number 2 right here in the class, and they already appeared the maximum answers what they studied in 6th standard about this fraction. And you all don't know what are the types of fraction. The first fraction I can say, yes, Zohar Abbas beta, bol dikra.
Proper fraction, improper fraction.
Very good,
and
very good. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Very good, Zohar Abbas. Excellent beta. Proper fraction. Then second is improper. Let us get the awareness about proper, then we will come to improper, then I will go through with mixed fraction. Okay? हाँ बोलो बेटा. बोल जबकि वकील जल्दी बोल.
Sir, I was checking if my voice is coming in.
Useless. Okay, chalo. Proper fraction means what? Proper fraction.
upper digit is smaller than denominator.
Numerator is smaller than denominator. Very good. Who was that boy? Who gave me the answer? Asaria Zohar Abbas, you are absolutely correct, beta. numerator is always smaller than denominator.
Yes.
Improper.
Understood? For example, as I said your total was 20 marks. Out of 20, you scored 19. That means what? Numerator is smaller than denominator.
Yes, sir.
So this is said to be proper fraction. What it is said to be?
Said to be proper fraction. Then second.
Understood? Out of
Yes.
8 pieces of pizza, you had 4 pieces. So numerator is smaller than denominator.
Yes, sir. It is
Yes.
So this is said to be proper fraction. Are you clear with the content of proper fraction?
Yes.
Okay.
Second is improper.
Second is
Improper. When the denominator is small and numerator is greater, it is called proper fraction.
very good, very good. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. Very good. When numerator is said to be greater than denominator.
Denominator.
For example, as I said, 20 marks ની ટેસ્ટ માંથી તમને કોઈ દિવસ 22 marks આવે?
No, it is on improper.
It is impossible. Out of 20, we cannot score 22 marks. It is impossible. The impossible, that is said to be improper fraction.
Yes.
Are you getting? હવે pizza already 8 piece માં divide છે. એમાંથી કોક એમ કે મેં 9 piece ખાધા તો ઈ કોઈ ગળે ઉતરેવા?
Right.
No.
No, sir. It is improper.
It is improper. Are you getting the content? What do you mean by improper fraction?
Yes.
In this, can you see numerator is always greater than denominator? Numerator હંમેશા મોટું હશે denominator કરતા.
Yes.
Understood?
And we can use improper to mix fraction.
Now, the third is what?
Mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. Very good, boys. What do you mean by mixed fraction? Can anyone tell me?
A whole number, numerator and denominator.
Very good. Whole number na kehvai, we can say integer. Because I can say that whole number always belongs from 0 to a infinite number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. હવે એક આખો નંબર હોય that is said to be integer. For example, 2 marks ના questions પૂછાણા. 2 marks ના 1 mark નો એક question પૂછાણો. One you got complete 1 mark and in another one you got half mark from it. Okay. So total will be what? Total will be said to be you scored 1.5. How it will be read? Out of 2 marks, what will be the marks you will be able to read here?
1.5
mark. That means 1 complete mark and out after 1 પેલા એક તો આખો માર્ક છે તમને બટ બીજા એકમાંથી કેટલા માર્ક છે? હાફ માર્ક. So it is said to be 1.5 mark. Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes.
So it is said to be always 1 integer 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Always જે કોઈ integer હશે ને 3 integer 2 upon 5 for example. So you will be getting after integer it will be always a proper fraction. કયો fraction હશે? After integer, if it is mixed fraction, after integer, it will be always a proper fraction. 1 integer 1 upon 2, 3 integer 2 upon 5, x, y, z, whatever it may be. Are you getting? समझ पड़ा है क्या नहीं?
Yes. Sir, and mixed fraction only and only converted into the improper.
I am coming to that point. ખોટો આગળ વધમાં જે અત્યારે સમજાયું એમાં ડાઉટ હોય તો કે?
No, sir. No doubt. No.
I know that and I already gave you that information in our last lecture. But I have started again because તમે લોકોએ ઘરે refer કર્યું નથી. You all were not clear with this fraction topic. So I started from the beginning today. Are you all clear with the topic named mixed fraction? What is mixed fraction? Forget about conversion. Zaki, you clear with mixed fraction, a word mixed? Zaki, I'm waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
Are you clear with the word mix? Mixed
Yes.
fraction. How to denote a
Yes.
mixed fraction? Come on, tell me.
Sir, 1 integer 1/3, 1/2.
Yes, the denoted is integer, numerator and denominator. Integer, numerator and denominator. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now coming to the main point. There is one rule that after integer there will be always a proper fraction. That is what I have shown you. After integer, કોઈ પણ જાતના integer હોય. For example, 17 integer, 9/23. For example, whatever it may be. So after integer, there will be always a proper fraction. આટલું યાદ રાખવું. સમજાણું કે નહીં? Have you all understood? Now, we will come to the topic name conversion. Zaki, now your topic, conversion of fraction. Zaki, where are you? Can you hear me? Hello, boys?
Yes, sir.
Are you
Yes, sir. Yes.
okay? Are you getting my voice better?
Yes.
So what I am saying is, now we have to learn about conversion. Conversion of only one thing.
Yes.
Mixed
Mixed
fraction. Understood?
Yes.
હવે એટલું યાદ રાખવાનું, mixed fraction convert થશે always,
Improper.
and improper fraction has to be converted always on.
Mix.
એને proper સાથે કાંઈ લેવા દેવા નથી. Proper word itself shows that fraction is proper. Understood? Proper fraction word itself shows that fraction is proper. So proper fraction has nothing to do with mixed fraction and improper fraction. Is that clear, boys? Conversion, word conversion has to be learned. How to convert mixed to improper. Mixed to, આપણે એમ કેવા છે mixed fraction to be converted into simple fraction. કેવા છે શું? In whatever the question it may be, it will be written as convert this mixed fraction to the simple fraction. Simple fraction form means what? It will be always converted to numerator and denominator. સમજાય છે? Mixed fraction will be always converted to numerator and denominator. But in that case, numerator will be always greater than denominator. So for that purpose, it will be said to be improper fraction. Is that clear, boys? સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
We will go through with the examples so that you will be easily clear with the content what I told you. If I say 3 integer 1/2, 3 integer 1/2. So I'll rub this all, then I'll start here. Three integer 1/2. Now, how to convert this into simple fraction?
So can I?
Simple fraction form. I already discussed this, that
2
denominator
3s are 6.
has to be multiplied with integer.
Denominator.
That means
Integer.
2 will be multiplied with 3
Yes.
plus numerator
One.
plus numerator and
And
denominator as
denominator
it is.
will be same.
Understood?
Yes.
સમજ પડે છે boys?
7/2.
સાયકલ યાદ રાખવાની છે. Don't go with any informal thing. સાયકલ યાદ રાખવાની છે. Denominator always has to be multiplied with integer, and this integer, after getting that answer, you have to add with the numerator. Why? because you must be aware of board mass rule. If you do remember, board mass, bracket, then orders, then division, then multiplication. Very good. Then addition. Then so you have to follow. If there is nothing given, બે ત્રણ sign એક સાથે જોવા મળે at that time, you have to follow this rule. Without this, your answer will be not correct. Always make sure of it. જ્યારે બે ત્રણ વસ્તુ એક સાથે જોવા મળે, પ્લસ થતું હોય, માઇનસ થતું હોય, ડિવાઈડ થતું હોય, at that time you have to follow this rule. Is that all clear? આ rule તમને lifetime યાદ રાખવાનો છે. This has to be with you until and unless you study your mathematics in your life. સમજ પડે છે boys?
Yes, sir, I know it.
Okay. So now for this, you will be applied with this. So multiplication is always ahead of addition. Multiplication પહેલા આવે છે, addition પછી આવે છે. જોયું?
Yes.
So what we have to do in this, we have to multiply this first. Denominator should be multiplied with integer, and after getting the answer of this, you have to add this with numerator. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1 upon 2. That is 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2 is the answer what you got. હવે આમાં સર ઘણા શું કહે કે 3 plus 1 4 કરી નાખીએ upon 2. So 4 2s are 8 upon 2. You got your answer 4. So 4, this answer is wrong. Why? Because you added this first, which is not going to be correct. It has to be what? You have to multiply this first. Understood? After getting that answer, you have to add with 1. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, that is clear. Now, can you mark one thing, that this mixed fraction, this, your answer is therefore 3 integer 1 upon 2 is 7 upon 2. Can you see this 7 upon 2 is improper fraction? Numerator is greater than denominator.
Yes, sir.
समझाणु ने कि नहीं?
Yes.
So improper is always converted, sorry, mixed fraction is always converted to improper fraction. Any doubt here?
No, sir, no doubt, no question.
Sure na bachcha party?
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. Okay, chalo. 4 integer 2 upon 7. Who will give me one by one? Who will give me the steps? Yes, Zaki Wakil, please. Tell me the steps.
7 into 4
Very good.
plus 2
Okay.
upon 7.
Very good. So what will be the content? How to be done?
7 4s are 28
Very good.
plus 2 30 upon 7 is equal to 30 upon 7.
Got it? We are converting mixed fraction to simple fraction form, numerator and denominator, but it is converted to which fraction?
Improper.
समझ पड़ी गई boys?
Yes, sir.
Now, always mixed fraction is converted to which fraction? Kena fraction ma convert to say improper fraction. For example, 9 upon 5. If we take 9 upon 5, is it proper or improper? 9 upon 5 is proper fraction or improper fraction?
Improper.
So improper fraction has to convert into mixed fraction. Improper fraction કેમાં convert કરવાનું છે? Mixed fraction માં. Which fraction?
Mixed.
So if you divide this 9 with 5, can I say 5 ones are 5? And the remainder will be 4. समझाई છે કે नहीं?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is said to be what? 1 is said to be quotient. Okay. This 4 is said to be remainder. And this 5 is said to be divider. Are you clear with the content, boys? હરેક જગ્યા લખવું જરૂરી નથી હો. Have you done this? So how to go now? Let me clear you. કેવી રીતે લખવાનું? This 5 ones are 5. So this belongs to one complete part. Yes or no? એક આખું મળ્યું આપડા. This 1 is what? 1 complete. So 1 integer. What is remainder?
4.
Remaining is 4. 4 will be numerator, and through what we have divided will be in denominator. 1 integer 4 upon 5 is the answer for 9 upon 5. Understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
સમજાય છે? Same way 7 upon 2. ચલો 7 upon 2. Let us divide here. 7 upon 2. 2. Can I say 3s are 6? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So if you subtract 7 minus 6 will be 1. So
Yes.
one complete part is what? 3. So can I say that 3 will be the complete part as integer? 3 integer, 1 is remainder. So 1 will be numerator and 2 was the divider. So upon 2. So 3 integer 1 upon 2, which gives us 7 upon 2.
Yes.
Any doubt, boys?
No, sir. No doubt. No question.
So you are completed with the conversion of the fraction. What have you completed? Conversion of fraction. Understood?
Yes.
So what are the types of fractions we have studied? What are the types of fractions we have studied?
Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction.
Very good. Now what are the kind of fractions? Can anyone tell me? You already know this.
Like fraction and inlike
When
fraction.
the denominator is same, it's good like.
Unlike means denominator is not same.
Sir, suppose that there are two
6
fractions.
upon 3, 6 upon 3, 8 upon, sorry, 6 upon 4, 8 upon 4, 12 upon 4. All the denominators are same.
Yes.
If the denominators are same for all the fractions, that all fractions are known as,
Like
that all
fraction.
fractions are known as
Like fraction.
like fractions. 2 upon 3, 5 upon 9, 6 upon 15,
It is all
7
known
upon 4. All the denominators are different. When denominators are different, it is said to be unlike fractions. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
You cleared with the kind of a fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction.
Yes, sir.
Boys? Okay. Now, coming back to our topic, one base part is adding, subtracting. We have to have compulsory like fractions. Like fractions, when denominators are same, at that time only we can add, we can subtract, or we can solve any fraction to our appropriate answer. समझ पड़े छे? Like fractions होવું
Yes.
જરૂરી છે. If we want to convert that into our answer, we have to get our like fraction first. समझ पड़ी? बाकी
Yes,
એની
sir.
વગર solve
Like-
થાય નહીં.
And
If,
the
for
like
example,
like
the
fraction
unlike
can't
fractions
be
are given,
LCM.
unlike fraction has to be converted first into like fractions, and after that only we can solve that sum.
Yes,
Understood
sir.
and clear with that topic?
Yes.
Sir.
Any doubt up till here?
No,
No,
sir.
Okay,
Sir, and
chalo.
like fraction we have to done with LCM.
Yes, beta. For not like fraction, unlike fraction. When we are converting unlike fractions to like, we will solve that through LCM. Now, addition of fraction. Adding fractions. Adding fractions. Chalo. First thing. If I say, let us go with 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7. Adding fractions. How to add this? First, we have to check. We have like fractions or unlike fraction here? What do we have? Like fractions. So when we have like fractions, addition is very easy. 7 will be common as LCM. 7 will be common as denominator.
5.
What is numerator? 3 plus 2. Your answer is what? 5 upon 7.
This
Any doubt? It is very easy to
No, sir, no
solve.
doubt.
It is very easy to solve when we have what? Like fraction. समझाई छे? Are you getting the content, boys? Boys, I'm
Yes,
waiting
sir.
for you all. Are you clear with this content?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. This was about like fraction. Now what about this? 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5. Chalo. How to solve this? Now do we have like fraction here?
No, sir.
No. Like fraction હતું તો ડાયરેક્ટ આપણે લઈ લેતા હતા and add કરી શકતા હતા. What about this sum? Now we have to take LCM. LCM of what? Denominator. What is
Sir.
denominator? 3 and 5. Are you getting? What are the denominators? ગમે એટલા fractions હોય. These are the two fractions we are taking. એમાં 3 હોય કે 4 fractions હોય. We don't care. We take all the denominators
The
together.
LCM is 15.
3 ones are 3, 5 as it is. 5 ones are 5. So LCM is what? LCM is equal to 3 into 5, which gives us 15.
15.
Okay.
So,
15 is
so
our
3
LCM.
5s and a 5.
So
5,
this,
5, 3.
will you listen for a while? The key.
5, 3 just.
જ્યારે પૂછું ત્યારે જવાબ નથી દેતો ને જ્યારે નથી બોલવાનું હતું ત્યારે વચ્ચે વચ્ચે બોલ બોલ કરે કે બીજાને ન સમજાય. જ્યારે પૂછું છું ત્યારે ગળા ફાડું છું ત્યારે કોઈ જવાબ નથી દેતું. LCM you got is 15. So these both the fractions, what you have to do? This 2 upon 3. 3 has to be reached up to 15. Understood? So 3, how many are 15? 3 5s are 15. So if denominator is multiplied with 5, numerator also will be multiplied by 5. So 2 5s are 10. So you got this 2 upon 3 as 10 upon 15. Second fraction, 4 upon 5. This has to be reached up to 15 here. 5 has to be multiplied with 3 to get 15. So if denominator is multiplied with 3, numerator also will be multiplied with 3. So 4 3s are 12. Now can you see that 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15 we got as like fraction here? Both the
Yes.
denominators are same. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can I take this 10 upon 15
Yeah.
plus 12 upon 15? 10 upon 15, 12 upon 15. We got our like fraction. So can I take this 15 as common? 10 plus 12 here. So we get 22 upon 15. What is our
22
answer here?
upon 50.
Now, can you check this? Is this a proper fraction or improper fraction? Improper fraction. So our responsibility, improper fraction મૂકી ન શકાય answer માં. Our responsibility is to convert this into proper fraction. Sorry, mixed fraction. Is that clear? So 15 ones are 15. 7 is remainder. So one integer 7 upon 15 is our answer. What is our answer? One integer 7 upon 15. So therefore, at the end conclusion, therefore 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5 will be 22 upon 15, which gives us one integer 7 upon 15. This has to be written at the end of completing the sum. Any doubt here how to solve this addition?
No, sir.
Samjhanu?
Yes.
First, our responsibility is to get LCM for the different denominators. After getting LCM, that has to be converted to the like fraction. After getting like fraction, we have to follow our motto. What we have to follow? We are doing addition. So we will add both the like fraction. After adding, we will get any of the fraction form. You might get a proper fraction also as an answer. Proper fraction આવે તો આપણે કઈ કરવાની જરૂર નથી. When we get improper fraction, at that time only we have to convert that into mixed fraction. Is that all clear, boys?
Yes.
So we have completed up till the topic name addition of a fraction, adding fraction, like and unlike both. Both has covered. Understood? Your homework is to refer all this topic, what we did right here in the class, once from your textbook. Boys, make sure of it. You refer it. Next lecture માં હું આજે જે થયું એ નહીં ચલાવું. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Please
Okay,
go
sir.
through all the
Yes, sir.
content. Then we will start with subtraction of fractions. Subtracting fractions like and
Okay,
unlike
sir.
both. Okay? Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well. Enjoy your next lecture and please don't go out without any reason. Please stay home, stay safe. Okay? Have a nice time, boys.
That's
Bye, sir.
Khuda Hafiz.
Daffy.
Bye bye, Khuda Hafiz.
Sir.
Hello. Hello, કોઈ છે?
રાજાને
ટેક્સ્ટ બુક આવી ગઈ યાર તમે મારા ટેક્સ્ટ બુક જોતી છે યાર
so.
કોણ છે શું